lot of those assets, they were sold cheaply over to a company what they call DB&G. DB&G is Deering, Bunting, and Golding. So Peter Bunting.
So you have an idea who won that company there?
To my understanding, but DB&G then, it was owned by Peter Bunting, Mark Golding, and one brother what end with the last name Deering.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember his first name. But it was sold off to them. Cheaply for little and not the man, chump change.
See.
So it is said now that right there, so both of them people that generate up most of their millions.
Yeah.
Because of Finsack. But me can tell her, brother, Finsack is a sin. Finsack is a sin because, brother, I have seen people's testimony where people say, yo, them lose them house.
What are they carry? Let me read that commenter. In PMP time, $2 have value. Right now, $500 are scrap. Carry so the country nah mash up. No. Response to the comment there, got it.
Sean Sam, me respond to the comment already this morning, you know.
This same one?
I am going to respond to it again.
Yeah.
Cost of living is going up worldwide. One bread the same bread in America in 2012 was $1. The same bread now at $5. I don't know which rat stone these people live under. Them expect the cost of living is going to remain same way for 100 years. It cannot be. And guess what? Guess what again, Shantan? I am going to put you to the task. I want you to look under which administration the Jamaican dollar slid the most. Compare all of the administration them and look under which administration the Jamaican dollar slide the most and come back and answer them people here. Under the People's National Party government, the Jamaican dollar lose the most value.
I can't tell the listener the man who show the government them.
And nobody can tell me a lie, me I tell. But me just said under the People's National Party government.
Yeah.
The Jamaican dollar lost the
Prime
most
Minister at the time.
PGA.
Oh, okay.
PGA under PGA practice government, the Jamaican dollar lost the most value and nobody can come with no factual information and tell me say I lie, me I tell. Nobody. Sean Sam chunk off one huge piece of it. Huge because what? The international lending agencies them tell them say the Jamaican dollar is overvalued, so they must make it slide. That is what Peter Phillips come out with him own mouth and talk say. And Peter Phillips chunk off about $30 out of it. Just to please IMF. I am not talking fiction, I am talking facts. Facts because the information is out there. Peter Phillips chunk off, call it a $30 out of $1. And then people will come talk. Remember, Jamaica don't grow rice, and we don't grow flour, and we don't grow certain things. We have to buy them. And And I am telling you, Shansa, I don't like to go back to the 18 years. But I can tell you, if Jamaica had good governance,
Yeah.
if Jamaica did even have the same Peter Phillips thing,
Yeah.
the same Peter Phillips, if Jamaica did have the same Peter Phillips in that 18 years, Jamaica would be a far better place today.
I carry it. Hold on a little. Sexy case, if you ask you if what about the dollar now?
Go on your phone now. Do you have an extra phone?
No, I don't really have an extra phone. I want just one phone I have at the moment.
Alright, guess what? Just give me 2 minutes to answer.
Okay.
I am going to Google it. Look how much is the American dollar now to the Jamaican dollar. Because I want to go look a while, I'm not even watching news. But guess what? If it is even $160, if it is even $200, when you compare it to how much the People's National Party chunk off, it don't match up.
Okay.
It still don't match up, Sean Sam. Eh? 157. 157.
Somebody be commenting on it.
I am going to Google something again. Hold on. I am going to Google something again. Look how much was it in a 2016. Yeah, man. Look how much for 2016. It still no match up.
Seeing.
And that is the information out there in a 2016.
Julianish, big up yourself now. I see you. Respect for the rest. Want people impress up your like button and share up your live. Tap up your screen and send in a gift them. Pay your badness back of that. Kaboom, big up yourself now, my G. Pay your badness back of that, man. And fam, I can tell you this. It going to 180 just after January and to what happening on the stock market. Big up everybody in the comment section and this them. Now I want to put up a panel to the card man them I come cuss on the thing dog. Yesterday man them let me have to end live before time. Dante, big up yourself, you know. Be your badness back at that, you know. I deal with my G. 1 cent me, you know. I big up I get best grand market ever. Junction second back at that.
Alright.
Press up your like button and share up your live. Yeah man, one I get Dante.
All
Be your
right,
badness man. Respect for the badge and thing, you see me?
This tell me saying a 2016.
Go show carrot. Yeah, Louis signal look like carrot. Real Radcliffe. Sean them say the labor right mash up yo live at you. You know say me not really blame me say a labor right or PMP mash up your live. Cause every whole man them come cuss on the thing dog, you see me? So me not go blame me on one side. Me I respond to one comment. You see me not gonna really blame Mr. Labour to mash up the platform or PMP. Because both sides come close, you see me. That's why today me not to make full up the thing, you see me. Either one man or two man me are gonna let in at a time, you get me? Be a badness back of that.
And me say,
Damien Roden.
the information
Give me a minute
no
there.
one
What up there, Carrie? Damien Roden, the best grand market. Me not understand that. You know, you don't put Ush Party there, Damien. I got you, Carrie. Rather Ratcliffe, you can jump on the live, you know. Yeah, Carrie, got you. Eagle. Eagle to PMP. I mash up your live. Eagle, big up yourself, you know. You have to let in a PMP with Cadet. Oh, Saki has me affiliate in a PMP with Cadet. Oh, alright, comment in the comment section who me know who a PMP, because I don't really know them by, but some of them by name. So if a man can comment in the comment section and say like Damien Roden is a PMP, maybe let you in. Oh, Cadet jump off. Alright, the topic to them want the man them explain to the listener them. Grandma, Christmas was the better one. The Christmas them now, since Andrew take over, are the one them before. Right, big up yourself, you know. Eagle need to fly away. Somebody say Eagle need to fly away. Big up yourself, Charles up Maneda. Sean, you need to research on all that, man. Got it. I'm back. Okay, that's saying I'm back. Alright, Eagle say my PMP. Alright, me I look for Eagle. Eagle one, big up yourself. Go through Eagle one, cause Cadet jump in. Yeah, Cadet, you lose signal.
Big up, boss. Big up.
Big up yourself, Eagle one. I represent the People National Party.
Every time.
Alright, you can respond to what Cadet does as I come like in lose signal. Tell him chip in back.
Well, you know, me never get me just come in before him come off, you know.
Alright, may I ask you a topic idea. You think the Christmas them now better than the Christmas them before since Andrew wanna take over office? Eagle one.
That not gonna be a fair comment. That not gonna be a fair comment, brother.
I don't understand what you're saying now could be a fair comment. Are you on the panel, Eagle? You don't have to mute your mic.
No, I said that not gonna be a fair comment for me to say that the Christmas before Andrew, right, pre-Andrew, is worse or better than now. Because Christmas has lost its whole meaning overall. See me? So I don't blame Andrew or nothing that people don't realize that Christmas is not the Christmas it used to be, sharing and caring, you know?
Are you on the panel? So you don't have to mute your mic, G. How you think cause that?
Well, a whole heap of factors can cause that, you know. A whole heap of factors. Not government policies, because I must say it's not a Jamaican thing alone. It's a worldwide thing, right? People have come of age now and have more knowledge and understanding about the whole concept of this Christmas thing. That is the real meaning that they told us it was for is not what it really represents. So for me to blame Christmas before for Andrew, no, that would be a malicious thing.
Okay.
Zin? So that to me, that topic would have been something of a biasness if I really say it, if it's different.
Okay, I get where you're saying, Jay. So who's parish you represent?
When St. Thomas,
Oh, big up St. Thomas, man. So Ayala say your town.
Irie.
So how your grand market was like in Yalas? Nice
Well, for the last 2 years, I've not been down there to the Grand Market, but Grand Market normally every year, everybody say they're going to offer 3 or, or find some of that major towns to attend the Grand Market.
In my experience, I get the best Grand Market. I want Junction second.
And I will not take that away from you, because that's your experience.
Yeah, for real. Yeah. All right, get it back. All right, go to look at it. Eagle Pass.
Yeah, chance. I'm have a break off one more time again, because I travel go down in the Mobile.
Yeah, man, when you break off, you break off. Just go and say everything and I make Eagle response after.
Yeah, so guess what? I was saying that in 2016, the exchange rate was in December. It was called $117. And now it is called $160. So that is what? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Call that a $40. Losing $40 over 8 to 9 years, especially for a country of Jamaica, especially under COVID. That is applauding. Especially under wicked COVID, where the place shut down. No major income now come in, tourism stall. You see, if you take your internet now and compare 8 years under the People's National Party, Sean Stam, may I tell you, oh God, man, you would have cried shame. You would have cried shame if you're really interested in a general knowledge. You see, at daytime when you see people them company live, all they need to do, just remember 1 or 2 points when they put forward, and just take up your phone when you're going to your bed at night time and just Google it. Google the information, you'd have cry shame. I am not saying that the People's National Party have not done good for the country, They have done good for the country. But you see, more could have been done. Just like under this Andrew Holness-led administration. More could have been done. But PNP could have done more for the country. For the Jamaican citizens, Jamaica. Yeah, them do some things, but brother, may I tell you, I am yet to hear the response of somebody to come and tell me a credible reason, nation reason why they cast the People's National Party ballot. I am yet to hear it,
One PNP the panel, I make him go through. Eagle.
Yeah, man, make him go through. Maybe him can tell me.
All right, Cadet.
Your father.
I have great respect for you, see? And one thing I hate, you guys forget, stop use the 18 years, right? And I would like to use from 2011 to 2016. Because you forget that you guys were in power from 07 to 11. So stop using 18. That 18 years ago, a long time ago, you know. That done from 2007.
But
That's
Eagle,
almost, hold on, no, that's almost 20 years, my brother. Use now from 2012 to 2016, and then we can talk. Let's have conversation on that. So don't
but
go all
Eagle,
over back on. Yeah.
Eagle, I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you because guess what? I am one of those who hate to go back to the 18 years. I mean, always I tell people say, I was not born 18 years ago, so don't tell me about 18 years ago. But brother, you see, if you compare from 2007, from 2011, you say, it still don't match up, father. It still don't match up.
Okay.
Because guess what? Let us go back to the American dollar. Let us go back to the conversation of the American dollar. Compare the sliding of the American dollar when Peter Phillips had it to when the Jamaica Labour Party had it. You know, say Peter Phillips take off more after the American, after the dollar comparing to the Jamaica Labour Party, and that is factual information.
Okay. Cadet, I want you to
Yeah.
bring the facts forward that in 2007, how much was the Jamaican dollar exchange to the US dollars? Okay.
I would
And
have to Google it you know, because I don't have the information for me hand. I mean,
yeah, but you cannot come online and talk about that the PNP this and
no, but
you
me
can't say
just
that and
Google
they are facts.
2016. I just Google 2016 and today, you know, and I have no
Okay.
problem going ahead and Google 2007, you know. I have no problem. I
Okay,
have somebody
I
right
read it.
now I can do it.
Yeah, go ahead and do that. And you come and tell the Jamaican people, but don't say you think. I want you to bring the facts, right?
All right. Hold on. 2007. And when did the Jamaica Labour Party lose? 2012?
Yeah, 11. Yeah.
All right, guess what? One talk to Sean Stamp, 1 minute, 1 minute. I am going to get information and come back to you. Grab me, please.
Eagle got you.
Yeah. So I personally cannot use 2000 and you can use 2007 when they pick up office, you see? I want him to get that data, as in, and we're going to show that during the tenure of the Jamaica Labour Party, when between 2007 and 11, how they went to the IMF, you see, and create their own plan, how they're going to organize and pass the test with them. And they failed 11 consecutive quarters,
Yeah.
right? So the IMF said, boy, we don't know, we don't want nothing to do with Jamaica. I want them to say that. Okay? Now, when the PMP take it up back in 2012, we had to do a lot of repair damages. Yes. Peter Phillips told Jamaica, so we have to go do listen, some better medicine apply to the people initially. Right? Until we can fix back this thing here. And which we did. They praised Peter Phillips for what he did, and Mama P for what they did. So when they came in, it was a smooth sailing for them. And that's why they are all of those things that Peter Phillips and Mama P did. Run up all the way to 2019. And them are smooth sailing. So if they were to say they received Jamaica in a bad state, they'll be lying because their finance ministers and advisors said something totally different. See me? So when you bring up a labor right or somebody who understand figures and facts, so we can have a proper discussion. Come in and want to talk, and then people are gonna say, well, I encourage PMP only.
Yeah, Kerry, request a live, request a live, Kerry. To company live, Kerry.
Sean.
Yo. Look at Kerry.
You want this
Anybody in the comment section where our labor just comment.
Carry AI, man. Carry not really. Carry a finger badness.
Okay. Eagle one, me have a question for you. So, me this one comment earlier and say PMP the move from IMF and Labour right go back to them.
We had end borrowing relationship with them under PJ policy, right? Ended that. And so that's when they came back into power in 2007, they had re-entered into borrowing relationship with the IMF. But
So, give me a minute there, Eagle. Somebody say put me about that comment. Me not see the name of the person. So you can comment back, please. Go through Eagle. Or Carl
Yeah.
Lewis.
IMF give you
Yeah, go through.
IMF. Yeah, the IMF really tell you know, say listen, you set your own stipulation, how you going to do, and they give you some stipulation how to go, how they want to administer certain things.
Yeah.
And if you fail what they said to you in that quarter, then the market give you a fail grade. Okay? 11 times they have failed it. And they set their own stipulation with the IMF. So, and that's why if you realize when you're talking to Jamaica Labour Party supporters, they don't speak of the era between 2007 and 12. They don't talk about that because they consider a failure in their administration. Well, they rather go back all the way back for 18 years, from 89 till 2007. That's fast. Some people are born.
I'm back with you, sir.
All right, Cadet back. Go through Cadet.
All right, in 2007, it was $68 change.
$39, yeah?
In 2012,
Yeah.
in 2012, it was $92 change.
So we're going to say that it raised by $30 in 4 years. Okay. In 2016, how much is it now? Was it?
Who?
In 2016, how much was it?
2016, it was. We just tell him a while ago. I don't remember.
100,
But I call it for $40.
$127.
I call it for
$127,
yeah,
right?
I call it for $40 miss now fight from 2016 until today.
Okay, listen up.
Yeah.
If look at the trend,
No, sir, you're going too fast. You're going too fast. You're going too quick. Breaks.
Okay, look at the trend. I'm giving you a trend.
No, sir. Well, no, man.
Okay, all right.
Go and tell me now how much right between 2012 to 2016.
Okay, I was going to say to you, when you got it in 2007, it was $60 something, right? And when you finish in 2012, it was $90 something. That trend after $30. Okay, we resumed in 2012 to 2016. All right. The same trend is about $30 in 4 years. Okay. Now what you're saying in a 4-year tenure, because it's about 5 year, but 4 year, right? You're saying now that this government, remember, you said COVID, no activity for 2 years. So we're not going to give you 8 years. We're going to give you 6 years because you says that with it for 2 years there was nothing going on. Away from the Prime Minister opening new bank account and stuff. But that's for another program, right? All right. So take away 2 years. If you raise it to $60 in 6 years, right? Then $40 in 6 years. Then next year, we'll tell next year that the other $20 not gonna go on. And you must also tell the Jamaican people that the last few months, in October alone, you guys have pumped over $90 million to save a couple cents on the dollar. It's quite not run away. That is factual. That is factual enough.
Mr. Eagle, how much did Peter Phillips chop off the dollar between 2012 and 2016? You are scuffling over that information. And please remember also to tell the Jamaican people that even Wall Street The Great Wall Street in the 2007 period crashed. Jamaica is a midget economy comparing to the United States economy. And if Wall Street can crash, who the hell is Jamaica? And please also remember to tell the Jamaican people that one of the major contributors why the Jamaica Labour Party had to go to the IMF is because when Bruce Golding get the country, Jamaica was broker than a church mouse. And Omar Davis promised the public sector workers a nice pay raise. Nice pay raise. And no said Jamaica crash. And when Bruce Golding come in, Bruce Golding pleaded with especially Edward Alwood Henderson, who was the Nursing Association of Jamaica president back then. Say ease him up there 1 minute because he broke, he not have no money. Edward Alwood Henderson tell them say anyway they have to fine it. They better fine it and brought the government to court. They had to go and borrow the money. Please don't leave out those information, sir. Those are credible information. Credible information.
All right, Kenneth. You indicate to me that you didn't have much knowledge of the past years. Okay, I used to work in the public sector, right? Even though I work at a statutory company, right? I can tell you this: that there was a time when people were getting 70 and 80% increase because people were behind.
Where, sir? Where? From it, I am from the idea of me knee.
Okay,
Appear 4% me a year, 5%. I cannot
You
tell
asked
you
me a question. Allow me to answer the
10%,
question.
sir.
Allow
So
me to answer
please
the
take the
question.
year.
Allow me to answer the question. Again,
Yes, sir.
I did indicate to you that I understand that you have youthful exuberance and you are not fully of age to really understand some of these things that was going on before your time, right? So,
So help me understand.
okay, no, I used to work in a statutory government organization, which I really don't want to tell. Where I used to work. I used to be a part of the union, okay? And there are several times we have received increase over 60%, included our fringe benefits. All right.
Mr. Eager, I think that government organization needs to be investigated for a high level of corruption.
All right.
Corruption, because, sir,
You don't understand what there's a benchmark. When there's a
there is
benchmark, when
no
there's a benchmark
government
somewhere.
agency in the history of Jamaica, in the history of independent Jamaica, that have received 60% raise, except the other day when time Nigel Clark give that raise. None whatsoever.
Okay.
So don't come on here. Don't come tell people no lie.
Okay. So hear what you just said a while ago, right? That remember I said 60, but you get 300%. You gave 300%. 60% compared to 300%. What a big difference. What a big difference.
Mr. Sir, if you want to go there, sir, because if you don't realize you are talking, although I am young, you are talking to somebody who read a lot. You are talking that the MPs got the 300% according to what you just said. I am going to agree with you, sir. Fine.
Not only MPs, it goes all the way across the board. It goes all the way across the board.
Sir, I am going to agree with you. We are going to say politicians because we don't like call politician name. Politician got it at 300%, sir. Politician got 300%. Sir, please tell the country the last day a politician got an increase in salary. That is one thing why I tell the country. And the other thing, what I want you to tell, what I want you to tell the country, how much did police get? How much did nurse and doctor get? And also, I want you to tell the country that everybody's pay is tagged to another. So you see the reason why the politician could I get 300% raise is because the permanent secretary get a raise and the deputy get a raise and everybody get a raise and it has been embedded in the system that you cannot pay the permanent secretary more than how much you are going to pay the politician. So guess what? Anyhow the politician pay is going to drop. Everybody pay goes straight down to the janitor pay have to drop too. So please tell those information, sir. Take back the floor.
I think, when I read the Bible, I think, in the James one, you see, you sound that you sound like a double-minded person, right? And you are unstable. Zane, you're unstable in your thoughts, right? You're unstable in your thoughts. Okay, my brother?
Then sir, how are you going to tell me that I'm unstable? Come back, me, tell me say a lie, me I tell and put the facts out there.
No, listen. You are saying one thing, but one side of them out, and the next side of them out, you're saying the same another thing. Listen, the government at the time, right, had never given no one a raise above a certain percentage. And when I said 60%, I said 60% with fringe benefits, right? Meaning that you get more. You get money when you're traveling, you get raise then for your subsistence, for your clothes allowance. That was different from your regular salary. So that's where you come up with that exorbitant amount of 60%. Okay? So I want you to understand that these things are no longer, because what your government did was to put everybody think.
Jamaica now. Did you have
Mr. Shanstam.
Yo.
Shanstam, I am going to explain something to you, sir. Because guess what? I don't know if you have an independent mind. But I'm going to explain something to you.
Yeah, man, me have an independent mind, my G.
He is telling me that, what the Jamaica Labour Party government did is to put everything under one umbrella and tax it and rate it and the devil's lower. Because guess what? I have heard that attacking a lot. And I was on a live the other day and I held a PNP representative at ransom and he couldn't answer me. Listen the mathematics of it now, Charleston.
Yeah.
I was in the system, meaning that I want to tell you, I was a police officer. And when I was a police officer, I was a DC especially. I usually get called for 80,000 of me pay per month.
And that was how long now?
That was between 2016 and Carly said 2020. And guess what? I am telling you, $20,000 with the allowances in it, allowances, meaning your washing allowance and your rate, $80,000 flat usually get. All right. So they're saying no, that the present government put all of that in a one now and tax it and give the people them 20% raise, because me your PNP I say public sector workers got a 20% raise. So Carly said 20% of $80,000, that would be $20,000, right? Let's just call it $20,000. So Carly said police now supposed to get 100,000. If me wrong, tell me say me wrong. Right?
Eagle have a respect
So
statement, for sure.
Yeah, because they get 100,000 now. And tax no would have to come out of that. Sean Sam, me know DC right now, who is getting like 140,000, 150,000 for them pay. So I want somebody explain that the mathematics, the after tax come out, they might get like 140,000 for their pay.
Seeing.
It leave from $80,000. remember, you know, he left from 80,000, you know, down 140,000 when tax come out tight, you know.
Louis,
And guess
big up
what?
yourself.
And guess what? The other thing now, why the government put everything under one now, Shanstam, and if a foolishness, the government don't tell the government it's the end of foolishness. When you retire from your policing job, if your basic pay was $100,000, that is what you would get as your pension.
Seeing.
All of the allowances and them something there would not be involved in it. That is what you would get as your pension. What the
Yeah.
government did now, you see all of your washing allowance and your disallowance and most of your allowances, then put it in your basic pay.
Seeing.
So guess what? At your retirement now, instead of you getting $100,000 for your basic pay, instead of you getting $100,000 for your pension, you will now be getting 150,000 or 200,000 because your allowances, you would not get those at your retirement, only your basic pay. So if a foolishness Nigel Clark do to make sure that when time people old and retire, they have some extra. Tell him say a foolishness thing though, boss. Talk to me now.
Go
All
through
right.
it.
All right. Kenneth. Youthful exuberance again, and you know you're trying to make the party look good. Okay. Listen now. If me have,
Eagle, give me 1 minute, Eagle.
all right. Go on.
Eagle, give me 1 minute. I see a comment in here, so I say, yes, in the basic pay. However, you will pay more taxes. Shansam, the more you earn, is the more taxes you are going to pay.
Sure.
But listen me again, Shansam, add up in Maximi. If people are paying more taxes, that means that they should get less pay. Then how police pay gone so high? How? Explain it to me. How?
Eagle, I can explain it, man.
Get it.
Go on now, Eagle, go on.
Well, no, if me, I do a little hustling, you see, and I'm a job on the side, and the job I pay me X, okay, and so my little hustling got in my pocket, all right. I mean, I'll pay no taxes on that. That little hustling can carry me a far away, okay. Now, I'm not saying that fringe benefits was hustling, but it was something extra that you didn't pay taxes on, okay. You don't have to pay no taxes on it. You could have guarantee say when you get your traveling or your uniform allowances, you could do something with it extra because nothing will come out of it. What the government did is to incorporate it in your pay and say, oh, no new taxes and tax you more. See? And when we talk about indirect taxes, of course we say we are idiots, right? But you just spell it out a while ago. The more you earn, the more you pay. So you just confirm that the people of Jamaica have been taxed extra, and them don't even know because you trick them and talk about no new taxes. So it got to come out of your mouth. No, I'm happy it came out of your mouth. So the argument done. When you talk about no new taxes.
It come out of my mouth, Eagle. But the person out there who have sent Eagle knows you're foolish if you attack Eagle. No to God of heaven, see a foolish see attack. Because persons are paying more taxes on their pay, according to you. Because the last time we checked, Nigel Clark tell people say, for every $1.7 million that you earn, I am not going to charge you no tax on that $1.7 million. But everything what you earn over that, I am going to tax you. But guess what? Guess what now? People, which police are which soldier are which nurse here are complain? None. You would have seen them out there black the blasted road. Because what? When they retire, one Eagle, they are getting more money. And Eagle, although the people them are paying, according to you, more taxes, They are taking on more because me know a teacher who usually get like $140,000 for her pay. The teacher now I get $250,000 after tax. Make it make sense for me. Make it make sense. Unless that foolishness not talk, we are foolishness.
If you're earning $10, you see, and you get 300%, and I am your boss, and I'm earning $100, and I get 300%, how do you quantify that?
That's right. Do you expect the subordinate to be paid more than the boss?
What you need to do was to do a job reclassification to bring up the teachers them in comparison with teachers in the region. That's what you guys should have done before you
So
went and
what
did
I
it.
know eager, did you do an assessment of it to know that teachers are not brought
You said some teachers, you know. You never said all teachers, you said some teachers, you know. Not all teachers, brother. We don't want some to benefit, we want everybody benefit.
Every
teacher, you said some teacher carry home $250,000.
No, I said I know of one. I know of one. I never said some. I said I know of one specific one. One. One specific one. It don't make sense, Eagle. It don't make sense because one now come with his utmost foolishness. People pay a raise, police pay a raise, nurse pay a raise. Oh, so what only did expect say people supposed to get the raise and what the tax and what the tax on it. The tax on it are supposed to drop? Come on, man. Come on. Una make it make sense. Master, may you hear me?
Yeah, man, may I hear me, G?
I am going to break off one more time again here. One more time, I break off again.
Do it.
You know, make.
Sean,
you
see what Khaled is saying, you see? He's not making any sense in terms of the period of time to know, because we started out with the dollar.
It don't make no sense what these people are coming forward with, right?
All right, the pause. Get it.
Like drop signal, Eagle.
No. I want to ask you what was the inflation rate, all right? Then, towards the inflation rate today. Then,
See.
the dollar went up. He says $40. I'm going to give him that, 40 Jamaican dollars, right? What's the big difference in that, in their spending power, in 2016 to today? It's a big difference, because everything that Jamaica uses is benchmarked with the United States dollar. Everything. All right? So if the dollar go up, it's going to affect us.
Seeing.
Our spending power is going to decline badly. So yes, the government did give public sector workers a raise, which they were duly deserved. So it's nothing for them to be, patting themselves on the shoulder. What really happened is that they gave such a significant increase to where them are the only one who benefits. Zane? Salary moved from $9 million to almost $30 million, $28 million. That's a significant increase.
Sure.
I can imagine if everybody would have get that. Then Jamaica would be nice.
Don't have that nice, All right, can I respond to what Eagle just say? Get it? Come not get it now, hear me. All right, Eagle, continue upon what you were saying. Come not get it now, hear me.
Okay. That is one, you see? The next thing again is that if you ask any public sector worker if they rather their benefits roll into their salary, they're going to tell you no.
Seeing.
It's not nice. It's not nice like one time. Because a little money we never tax. but the great finance minister roll a team in there because him see where him can collect more money from the people.
Seeing.
Take up you and take me down there, yeah?
All right, my G. That's all I heard.
Because I lunch me the pan, but I carrot me the want, you know. Give me the whole of garbage in matter. Because nothing will make sense.
So, you Richard, where you deal with me, G?
What go on?
Me I put up one leave back today. All right, point out some of
No, you hear me say that? You hear me say? You see when they talk about raise a pay and something, no teacher not getting a 300%, daddy. A principal alone, a principal, vice principal, and guidance counselor get money. And special teacher. You see, classroom teacher them. And I have some teacher in a classroom 10 years. And some special teacher just come in a classroom 1, 2 years and get more money more than them.
Yo, you Richard.
You.
At time we are Jamaicans in, they put country of politics. At time we put country of politics, Virgin.
That's why I'm saying to you, listen to me, man. Listen to me.
One energy, at time we must put country of politics. I want to think that like country the right way, we must say that go on good. When something go on bad, we must talk about it. They don't even think about it with bad them. Because you Richard, you may say
government general.
Let me soon give back your talk. I'm not along. We as Jamaican who are moving country forward, instead we must put politics over country. How the country go wrong, we say that go wrong, what go right. If PMP come in tomorrow morning and the fuck with it we just done with that. Every government make a mistake, yeah. We not put better the country go on good. Where we achieve you, Richard? You listen, you are a point in the bridge. Don't get me wrong.
If you know this, General, if you know this, me attack back. I am just saying, read the teacher. Me a cadets is for politician. Remember, they say politician right in the world before they go into politics, they know their salary. Literally, politician volunteer service because most politicians now get even qualification. And some of them are Jamaican politics will not deserve in there. But I'm just saying, you get to me, I say? Politicians know them pay, the prime minister know much you might get everybody.
Richard, let me show you a scene. I will be a big man to a big man. You know what me do blogging to, you know that? All right.
Yeah.
Me never come on a platform and disrespect Mark Golden wife. Because I know she, now her children them. Because me a big man. Me not go down the road there. You understand me I come from? Me a face to as a leader. Him not pick penny now. Me not keep on the family. All right. As a leader, we go up on a platform and tell people to call a prime minister 28. A leader where him followers are tell Andrew about his mother. And brother, them it's supposed to come on and say, yo, stop it. So now we go to a little slaughter with Siaga when they say, listen, Siaga a white man. Fine enough. We fast that. We not trying to stone, but we are celebrating. Everyone in the country must go good. They must come out and say, listen, stop the fuck celebrating.
But Steve, me can tell you something.
Right.
Steve, yeah, you're right. But you know, Steve, you know, I'm saying Siaga inject race in politics. Let me tell you something.
No.
It's when let me tell you, Steve, let me tell you why.
Siaga never call PG a black scandal bag.
No, Steve,
Yeah.
Siaga never call PG a black scandal bag. A lie.
Yeah.
Let me tell you how it go.
Yeah.
1976 when they were doing song My Leader Banner, it was a white Jamaican. I run against an American, a white American. And we say My Leader Banner, we never say white. Because Michael Manley white. So we could not call Siaga white to Michael Manley run. A two white man. When PJ Patterson as a black man, first black man get politics in 1993, Edward Siaga said in a parliament, Michael Manley give a boy to do a man's job. That I first disrespect. Let me don't talk again now. Let me reach you, man. You know, man, let me reach you, man. No, you know, that's sweet, man. Let me land. Siaga again never called PJ a scandal bag. Siaga they put on a platform and said, the People's National Party is a bag of scandal. And him take a black scandal bag and wave that the crowd.
All right.
You see that? Listen,
hold on.
man, that literally a PJ address.
No,
Listen
what
me.
do you mean?
Me,
You
me don't know
remember
Steve, man.
Enderman left?
Steve, let me reach America, Steve. May I tell you, PJ Patterson do more than any other prime minister of Jamaica. And I'm getting less ratings. You know why? Because I'm black. Jamaican people not really rate black people as leader. Because
Right
no
people.
Michael Manley, me and Michael Manley PMP. Michael Manley not half a PJ do for Jamaica. But yet they rate Michael Manley over PJ Patterson.
Well, you remember when Enderman lady are buried?
Me not talk about Edna Manley.
No, Richard, we have a reason. I see
Yeah.
I got the Prime Minister of Jamaica, right?
Yeah, no, a PJ Patterson. Edna Manley dead in a PJ time.
Big man, how them? When Michael Man, Big man, when Michael Man was Prime Minister.
Michael Manley dead in a PJ time.
No, Michael Manley, man. Woman there, they are buried. Michael, see I got the Prime Minister of Jamaica. When he got the
Edna Man-
funeral, when he
Edna
got the funeral, then boo, see I got the funeral. We get more that?
No, a Michael Manley funeral them boost Siaga.
All right. Then boo, see I got Michael Manley funeral.
Michael Manley funeral, yeah. You know
Right.
why? Because Fidel Castro did it. Wait a man, Fidel. Then a bloom dream white. Then a boom dream white.
But what I know,
Them
what I
boo him.
when Daniel Campbell call Montague the black caucus at the Jamaica Labour Party, what that mean?
What color do you think Campbell have? Do you think Campbell black man?
But what
Hey,
you
hey,
say,
listen,
Bridget?
hey, Steve.
You
Steve, you know,
we not talk about-
Steve, wait a minute, no problem. I can't see Mark Gooden White, not Mark Gooden White. Me not no problem. If they want champions in a white man in the country, me want it. Me welcome it. Easier for PMP. So we not have to do too much work. Me want me to go on every stage and call him white and do that.
What we are saying, Bridget, as Jamaican, we must be the facts and be honest,
Yes.
Bridget.
Yeah,
And
but I'm saying to you,
we
I
have some
said,
man come on.
you know,
Well, I'm not some man come on the platform and disrespect. And disrespect
General,
Andrew.
Steve.
Yes,
Steve,
because Andrew has a thing. You,
Steve,
Steve,
20
me say Andrew a thief. Where Andrew thief?
Wait a man, me never go there, man. Steve, 2024, me want a champion and call Mark Gooden White. I swear to God. Me don't want to stop. Me don't want the private sector and nobody come out and say, me want the JLB continue.
But
Everybody.
even talk, what goes around, come around, Richard, man.
Yes, continue. Me want to live and continue. Me not like, me love it. More than calling White. Just
Bridget,
champion for himself White.
listen, you know PG camp, me know you live in West Kingston and Denham Town and know this. PG campaign for 3 elections, never put a manifesto and call Siago a white man for 3 elections to don't beat Siago. Let me tell you.
Well, all right. Want
No,
JLB.
yes, I know. Let me tell you. Richard, answer me question. Did PG beat Siago at 3 elections by calling my white man? Yes, I know.
Come like in low signal, Steve. Just go and talk till him pick up.
Me da work, man. I'm answer me, man. You Richard.
Look like in low signal.
Me-
You Richard.
This up man phone man.
You Richard. Red Horse, hear me as still, Bridget. For the years, Bridget, I is a man if you live at Jamaica, Bridget, and if you play the truth, Bridget. Jamaica go on good, brother. But let me tell you something with politics. You see the party at the power, nothing never too good for you. I will be real. Bridget, enough thing this man had, brother, nothing. Bridget, nothing. Bridget, there's no time PMP with a tax in Jamaica. Big man, and a taxi. But me I say, they must know, but we tell this, Bridget. Them have bad for them party, and me a bad for Jamaica. You see me I say? Me a bad for Jamaica, and me a bad for them party. Because you see, hands out, We not believe in the answer. You see me, I deal it. All them people say come on level, come talk beat Andrew Wallace. We are taking them better third term for them. And they go, either they take it or run left it. Kind of the day. We now have no white man in Jamaica straightforward. Politics, we are play politics. Then do we see I go and we are do it back to them. Brother Jamie, that work, best of us say. We are done?
Yeah, man, respect me, G.
Yeah.
Yeah, PMP Boardhouse. Kerry, big up yourself. Kerry, jump on the live. I'm not let you nobody with you, because I'm going to hear a little reason with you, because you never get none much time out there. Gaza baby all over hands out like Labour right. And Labour right have to come answer the question there. Your vote and can't stop Mark G. Kerry, big up yourself. Kerry no have nothing to say but lie. Gaza baby, you see a 500 in a bus a fight for. Gaza baby, where you say them fight over 5 bills in a bus? Alright, Kerry 7 for him. What go on, Kerry?
Hello?
Yo, what go on? Then start typing finger you have.
No, because I'm at work. Hold on.
I must see your nails and so pretty.
Huh?
I must see your nails and so pretty. Alright, go through Kerry. More.
Pretty Neil.
Eh?
What's up? Why you have all these PMP on your show?
Because
Why you have all these PMP? I don't have much minutes because I'm at work. But why you have all these PMP on your show?
because no allow PMP them alone for request. So me have to put up who send them requests. The Labour I need to send in them requests as well.
One.
So alright, what you come on the show, but you never get much time to talk. I just say Sydney man them at top you. You did just talk
Yeah,
about market G. Someone you talk someone a little why.
No, what I was saying, right? Remember during the FinSac time with Jamaica, that FinSac had crushed Jamaica. Mark Golden was part of FinSac. So Mark Golden is not even qualified to be a leader for any party in Jamaica.
Saying.
He should be nowhere politics.
I explain to listener them why.
Mark Golden got his riches off FinSac from the poor people in Jamaica.
Okay.
And all this information is on Google.
So I just market G really have a
So
problem
he
with
should have never been the leader of the PMP party.
saying.
Never. He should have been the leader. We don't want anybody who is a part of FinSac.
Yeah. Low signal Kerry. Alright, Kerry I said no Marky G should be leader of the People National Party because Marky G mix up in a film. I'm like a signal by the way they Kerry. That's me, bro. Yeah, Kerry, come like a signal by the way it is. Kerry, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Once you finish speaking, I'll see.
Yeah, man. It look like she have some signal problem. Wait till she chip in back. Sean asks her to ask Nigel 40. The comment they gone. No, are the people them hide from Finstock. That's why them lose them place.
Hello?
Yeah, Kerry, go ahead.
Oh, the connection is very poor.
Yeah,
Hello?
that means find out. Come like push by the breezy. You're there on the beach. Play drone, hold on, play drone. Soon put it up. British, big up yourself. Best dance up. Oh,
Yeah, she drop off. Let me just quickly jump in and say this. FinSAC was not the problem, FinSAC was the solution, and FinSAC did not cause a meltdown in Jamaica. FinSAC fixed the banking meltdown in Jamaica. So that's where
same.
she's totally off. Mark Golding did not benefit from FinSAC, nor was he a part of FinSAC. So that's another lie. All the people that benefited from FinSAC are in the archives. However, their names are redacted. But I can tell you that one main person from the Jamaica Labour Party, there are others, but one of the main names I can call is Audley Shaw. So when
Same.
she goes to Mark Golding can't run in a politics because he benefited from FinSAC or he caused FinSAC to cause whatever she's saying, that's total rubbish. I would advise my good friend here to go ahead and read up what is FinSAC. She said she Googled, but I would have her know that Google is a search engine which shows you the good information and it shows you bad information. It is your duty to sift through the information and join them together once it makes sense. But I'm sure in none of the information that she read, nothing there told her that Mark Golding benefited from FinSAC.
Same.
I can guarantee you that. Yeah?
Mr. Kashif,
Yes, go ahead.
thank you so much, sir. All right.
Mhm.
Sam, it takes a long man. But guess what?
Up, Kerry.
I'm going to come to you now, Mr. Kashif. I'm going to come to
Yes,
you
go
now.
ahead. Go ahead.
All right. You said FinSAC
Hello?
was
Yeah,
you,
Guys,
Kerry, hold up there.
one
Kerry, the
Kerry,
new
one
signal
Kerry,
and
one
back.
talk, Kerry.
Got you, Kerry. Kerry signal bad when the man. Got you, Kerry.
All right. So Kashif, FinSAC was the solution. So
Yes.
FinSAC was the solution for people's loan.
Uh-huh.
We are going to use just a random number right now for people's
Uh-huh.
loan
Uh-huh.
to move from $10 million to
FinSAC didn't cause that.
$150 million.
FinSAC did not cause that. That was caused by the
Yes, sir.
bad
What caused
banking
it?
practices. Let me talk. That was
Mr.
caused
Kashif.
by the bad
Mr. Kashif.
banking practices by the institutions that failed under the financial meltdown that FinSAC had to come in and fix.
Mr.
Mhm.
Kashif. Mr. Kashif.
So,
So
go
how
ahead.
did FinSAC fix it? How did FinSAC fix it?
Yes, FinSAC went ahead and recuperated what some of the assets that these people borrowed loans, failed to pay back the loans, and of course the institutions failed, and the FinSAC had to find some way to find back the money to give to the depositors of these institutions. And by the way, I would
Mr.
also
Fin-
like to add, it is widely known. I'm not sure if you're aware, but all depositors of the institutions that failed in the banking sector financial meltdown, all the depositors got their money back. The people that are crying about FinSAC are the people that took the loans and defaulted on their loans.
Mr. Kashif, don't
Okay.
bother with Mr. Kashif. Mr.
Why
Kashif,
is it?
don't.
Let me answer this. Let me answer this. Why
Big
is
up
it
yourself,
that
brother.
Audley Shaw was given a buyout under FinSAC?
Mr.
Yeah, just answer that for me. Why
Miss
Audley Shaw took a buyout
Mr. Kashif.
under FinSAC?
Mr. Kashif, just hold a break for 1 minute, please. Mr. Kashif, hold a break for 1 minute. Please explain to me why Mr. Godfrey Dyer, a millionaire, got crushed under FinSAC. Godfrey Dyer, but Bottom Road,
I would
name
I
crack
would ask
him now.
you to
Crash.
go ahead and have Mr. Godfrey Dyer tell the truth about the loans that he took from these institutions.
He took
What
the
happened?
loans and
Did
his
you pay back
interest
the
rate
loans?
skyrocketed so
Did
much. But
did
about
you
that,
pay
the
back
man
the
never
loan?
got to sleep on the tree, Mr. Kashif.
Did you
But about that,
did
the
you
man never
pay
got to
back
sleep
the
on
loans?
house.
None of those people, they never sleep on an tree. All the 20 people that were
But
interviewed in the FinStack
Mr.
inquiry.
Secretary,
Let me ask you this.
Mr.
Let me ask you
Kashif,
this.
don't.
Let me
All right,
ask
go
you this.
ahead, I'm
Let me
listening.
ask you this. We're dealing with facts. We're dealing with the inquiry. We're dealing with the
Yes.
documents that were released by your government in the archives.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Based on
Mm-hmm.
the documents in the archives, there were 20 people, if I'm correct, that were interviewed in the FinStack
Mm-hmm.
inquiry. Am I correct?
Yeah.
What were the findings of the interview? What were the final staying up after they've interviewed
You
all those
tell me,
20 people?
sir. You are
No, 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 no. The
informed.
document
No,
is
no,
public.
no, you don't
The
ask me,
document is
sir.
public. The document is public. And if you people are
Sir,
going to
tell
come
me
and let
your
me finish that.
understanding of it.
Sean, tell them man of him and finish that, please.
Yeah, it making got you.
It me
Sean.
I tell you to do talk. Don't ask me.
No, no,
Talk.
no,
Tell
no, no.
me.
I'm supposed to ask you, because guess what? The documents in the archive are public documents. And if you people are going to come and discuss things, come and discuss it with facts. And
All right,
facts are
talk,
in
sir.
the
Talk.
archives, right? Because your government
Yeah, man,
released it.
talk.
Okay.
Talk.
After they've interviewed those 20 people, do you know what the officers of the inquiry said?
No, sir.
In
Tell
the
me.
archive, the officers of the inquiry said they could not find none of the 20 people that give their interviews. They couldn't find them to be credible. Why? As a matter of fact, if so many persons were affected by FINSA, how is it that an inquiry that we're paying $160 million for only interviewed 20 people? Only 20 people were affected by FINSA? No. So,
No, we're
me now,
listening. No, we're
listen,
listening. We're listening.
listen. I am not going to deny the fact that some people got hurt because of what FinTech had to do to bring back the financial sector back on stream. I understand. However, we have to understand that if it is that you were in default or you had some issue with your loan, then you can't blame FinTech for trying to regulate the thing. Do not tell no lie, kill FinTech no cause no banking meltdown. FinTech came in to regulate the banking sector. Enough is stop tell lie.
Miss Sean Sam. Sir Sean
Yo.
Sam, listen to me now, sir. Listen to me now, sir.
Mm.
Mr. Kashif, I am going to use the words of a People's National Party representative. Remember, I don't want
Listen
to
to me. FinTech then they look out for PMP and JLP. FinTech look out for the people. So if you have PMP and you get caught
Yeah.
in the trap with bad loan and you feel like you want to give your personal review, whether you have PMP or JLP, it has nothing to do with FinTech. That's your personal review. So don't tell us what Ronnie Tweet said. Okay? We all know what Ronnie Tweet said.
Can I speak now, sir? When you find out, sir, me be quiet and me listen out everything what you have to say. All when you ask me question, I say, no, you tell me. I am going to use the words of a People's National Party representative. And use your two yeah, Mr. Sean Sam, and looking at 9 inches wall in a Cuba. It is said, FinTech is the greatest transfer of wealth from the poor, P-O-O-R, from the poor to the rich in the history of Jamaica. They never say it wasn't said the meltdown is, it said FinTech is the greatest transfer
Not
of
it say,
wealth
him say, not it say,
from
him
the
say, because there's no
poor.
document that said that.
From the poor, sir. Be quiet, I'm not talking, And a serious thing, Sean Sam said, want no argument on the platform today, and we were talking so peaceful before. The greatest transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich. Sean Sam,
Yo.
Mark Goldin was an advisor to Mr. Omar Davis throughout the life of FinTech.
Okay.
The same report that the same archive, because I like to use exact words, the same archive which he is referring to, it came out in the archive that many of these assets which was taken by FinSac, it was sold off to D, B, and G for chump change. Who is the owner of D, B, and G, Sean Sam? Daring,
Yeah.
Bunting, and Golin, the two most integral people now in the People's National Party, gain their millions, bought up these people assets for little and nothing, and have them sold off back for triple time millions. So please tell me, Sean Storm, stand in a Jamaica and look in a 9 inches wall in a Cuba and tell me how somebody who is an advisor in FinSac buy up FinSac assets for cheap if the thing worth $10 million, Sean Storm. Remember, I am going to use not exact numbers now,
Yeah.
If the thing worth $10 million, DB&G bought it for $1 million. I sell it back for $30 million. The information is out there, Sean Sam.
See.
It is out there. So please tell me how FinSac come around to regulate my backside. Regulate what? I need you, Sean Sam, to go. I need you to go and look up Godfrey Dyer. Write down the name. Godfrey Dyer, Batam Road in a Mobile.
Godfrey Dyer.
His name after him now. Yes. Go look how much millions that the man they lose under FinSac. It is in a Daring, Bunting, and Golden packet because information out there say them buy the sweet money.
Okay.
All right, Sean, let me get that talk.
Yeah, got you.
I'll talk as simple as me can. As simple as me can. I already explained, say, if you have loan, you default for your loan. What go happen, right? Banks do it all the time. Courts do it all the time. You work courts and hold them for too long, they come back with them product, right? All right. Look at it this way. If it is that the banks had failed and the banks don't have any money to give back the deposit at them, a regular poor man like me and you, Sean, what deposit will go 1 and 2,000 until you reach a point. That the money they mess up because the bank lend out in a loan, low interest rate loan, and all these rich people, Godfrey Dyer, what him talk about, Godfrey Dyer is not a poor man. Okay?
Okay.
He was one of them. Borrow millions of dollars, defaulted on their loans. And you hear me say before, say all depositors, and let me make this clear, regular depositors like me and you are deposit with money in the bank, all of them got their money back, right?
Yeah.
So all the poor people who deposit their regular money in the bank get their money back. So right there and then, the argument about biggest transfer of wealth from poor to the rich, dead right there. So all of the poor people get back their money what they deposit in the bank.
Okay.
No, if the banks never have no money and then strap for cash, FinSac come in to regulate the thing, take back the asset them what the people might default from their loan. What they have to do to get back the money? I remember say assets in our land, house, car, and no cash. But you need cash to give back the people and the depositors their money. Right? If you as an organization strap for cash, and you need to hurriedly get rid of these assets to get back the cash, are you going to hold out based on the fact that you know say the car of $10 million? Are you going to hold out and say $10 million I want knowing see how strap for cash? Are you going to say, all right then, give me 3 million and go out with it? Also, DB&G is a investment firm. Yeah, dealing at the banking and whatever.
Yeah.
It is widely known that in the banking financial sector, businesses buy back bad debt all the time. And so, FinSac was selling off all these bad debts, and DBG was one of the institutions that purchased back some of the bad debts. NCB did that too, and some other institutions did that as well. So when they're going to pinpoint out and say, oh, Mark Golding benefit because DB&G bought back bad debt, that's stupidity.
Yeah.
The business was doing what the business does. That's what big financial institutions do. So that's just foolishness.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Hold on,
The
man.
company, not Mark Golding, the company that he is a part of, he's a shareholder of, bought back some of the bad debt that FinTech was selling. Yeah? And if
Yeah.
he is a shareholder of the company, of course, if the company gets some bad debt, whether the government are selling or our next private institution are selling with them bad debt to get back some cash because they strap the cash. Of course, it's all in the business.
Yeah.
Yes, we understand that some people feelings hurt, but at the end of the day, we have to look back on what is. When you borrow a loan, what are the requirements for you to be within the right all the time to make sure your loan not default? All of these people borrowed up
Shasta.
millions of dollars.
Hold on, look at
Me I
it.
tell you, me don't talk. Me don't talk. Me done come here
No,
for
man,
run
I'm
anyway.
listening. I'm listening. That's why you hear me stop. I'm listening. Go ahead.
Yeah, man, more done come here for run anyway.
Mm-hmm.
When they buy up all of the bad debt, what wrong? TB&G was the only bank. You can't answer me this question. Yo, cadet. DBG was the only institution that bought bad debt from FinSat.
No.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna run. I'm at work. Me still a listen, but I'm gonna jump out that box.
Yeah, big up yourself,
So,
Kashi.
Shantam.
Yeah.
Shantam, I have one question for you, Shantam.
Mm.
All right, you have an investment to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have an investment to do. And you say, all right, $5 million can't fix my business. And you take up your house title and you carry go over a bank and say, all right, see my house title here. Give me $5 million and the bank say, all right. You have 5 years to pay back this. Every year I'm supposed to get $1 million on this. And you say, all right, give me the $5 million. And you invest in the $5 million in your business. And I am telling you about the facts of FinSac, you know.
Mm-hmm.
6 months down the line, only for you to get the information. Say, guess what? The $5 million what you borrowed, you know. Remember, you know, this is in the era of FinSac, you know. This was not before FinSac, you know. This was in the era of FinSac. If 6 months in the life of your loan, you get a call and say, oh, you know, I said that the $5 million, the way you borrow, it is now $10 million. Shansam, tell me, Almighty God, how are you going to survive? 6
Yeah.
more month time again, they get another call say, yo, at 20 million.
Mm.
Tell me, how are you going to survive?
You can't tell you don't budget for 5 million already. What you have?
Listen, man. Listen, man. Don't make nobody come for your platform go tell enough. That is what FinSac did to Jamaican people, Jamaican business people. Over 40,000 businesses in Jamaica went under because of FinSac.
And Cadet, then do that intentionally, right?
Intentionally, because of FinSac, Chanstam. It did not happen 6 months before FinSac, or a year before FinSac. Yes, when FinSac come in, they start coming in. People start to get information. Say, yo, them loan double, triple, quadruple. How you expect the people them to pay back that when time the people them only budget na them things say alright they are going to pay $50,000 per month. When you call them and tell them say you can't pay 50,000 anymore, you know, at $200,000 you supposed to pay me every month. How are the people them going to survive?
Yeah.
I don't want nobody come on here and try to justify things like when time the information is out there eager that guess what over 40,000 businesses in Jamaica went under the sea because of FinSac.
Okay.
And not because of nothing else. FinSac.
Alright. Hold on a little, Cadet. Any PMP in the comment section, more comment say
Well, man, bring in any one of them what you want, man. Any one of them.
more comment say PMP me put up your fee. Me put up your fee.
No, man, carrying any one of them.
Yeah. Comment PMP me put up your with carry. Me pay and carry the beer. Gaza baby look like my PMP. Me look for Gaza baby.
Yeah. Any one of them. Brother, I don't want it to be broadsided that the People's National Party is all evil. And this side of the devils know what. PNP have done good for the country.
Yeah.
Good. But you see some of their decisions, may I tell you, that is why Jamaica right now are dragging their foot because of their decisions, some of the decisions that they have made, it is not well. Finsaka one of them.
Gaza baby, I'm not really arguing. I just want to come point out the lie them where I carry that.
No, nobody not argue. Nobody not arguing.
Gaza
Them
baby
talk
request
and
me
talk.
put on the live. You go to carry.
Yeah. And Shansa, we were talking about something this morning when the time to break off. The person was saying that politicians get 300% and this and that the levels no one. And I don't want it to seem like we're going topic to topic. But me like take them one at a time.
Mm-hmm.
Help me know, Shansa. 10 persons work in a one company, including the boss. The politician is the boss, you know. Remember, you know, a politician is a boss. Are you going to pay? Do you think that all 10 persons in the company are going to get the same pay?
No. I got in a higher bigger position.
Alright, Chantam. Alright. So listen now. You see the reason why them say the politician get the 300%. You see the reason why the politician get 300% is because in deputy get 290%. And the person who answer to the deputy get 280%. And the person run go straight down back to the janitor. Straight down back. And guess what? It is embedded in the system that from Wapikil Philip that you cannot pay the deputy more than how much you have to pay the boss.
Yeah.
So guess what? I would recommend that the politician them drop them pay. Drop them pay. But Shanstam, everybody, Son of Punkos, I know that no politician got at a 300%, but we are just using random numbers now. If the politician pay Shanstam, it's going to drop. You see, everybody go straight on your line, pay go off the drop too. So guess what? Pick a struggle. Pick a struggle. And people get nice pay raise out the Shanstam, nice.
Yeah. You be a big up yourself. You be a big up yourself. Jump on the live, you Blair.
Yeah, man. So you can't expect that you are going to pay a teacher more than how much you are going to pay the principal. The principal like boss.
You going to say what percentage minimum wage earn a God? You Blair, request and jump on the live. You Blair.
So guess what, Shannon? You have to work the maths of it. And guess what? Sensible people out there is working the mathematics of it. Yeah, me can understand. Because when time me say politician them I get this, me they are screw. I was screwing. But when
Yeah.
time I look into it and I say, oh, if a politician pay drop, everybody underneath him pay. Pay have to drop too. Me say, but it makes sense. So guess what? Everybody get a pay raise. What happened to the politician? What happened to the politician? Him not have a family too.
True.
You know, listen to people when they come and come sing this, here, Sean Sam and the devils know what. It is a system and it's embedded in it from Wapikil Philip. It can't change. It can't change, and sensible people out there know this. How are you going to pay? How are you going to pay a classroom teacher more than how much you pay a principal for the school? It can't happen.
Real. That's impossible.
It can't happen. And guess what, Sean Sam? I am going to ask you a question now. I'm going to put you up on the spot. Which one do you prefer? Because you have a vote in Jamaica, you know, so you can talk. Paying a working politician $2 million just using random numbers now. Paying a working politician $2 million. Or paying a retired politician $2 million who would just sit on a yard, now do one shit. Which one would you prefer?
The working one.
All right. Before PJ Patterson left out of power, I don't know if you did know this. Before PJ Patterson left out of power, PJ Patterson set it that. You see the CMPA, what the current Prime Minister gets, the retired Prime Minister has to get the same thing too.
Yeah.
Have to get the same thing too. So guess what? Bruce Golding, PJ Patterson, Portia Simpson Miller sit down at the yard and rape Jamaica. Rape Jamaica because the CMPA, what the current Prime Minister is getting, the retired one have to get it too.
And the man sit down here not supposed to get the CMP like when I get.
Okay. And if Andrew Holness get $100 million for the year, every Prime Minister who retire and gone out of politics have to get the same thing, not even a dollar less.
So, all right, let me ask you something, Cadet. No law can change from, like for instance, if the President Prime Minister no make a law, you want to come after can change it?
Yes, yes, Sean Stam. It can't change it about Sean Stam. From my system, you know. Who will change that? Who the hell will change that? Nobody now do that, Sean Stam.
Same.
Yeah. But it should not be in the first place.
Yeah.
Enough to be in the first place. Where the law they come from.
Yeah, that kind of sound below the belt for real.
You know what say you will sit down in your yard for 30 years. 30 years. You will sit down in your yard. And guess what? You are doing outside job between you because for your health you can't work, you know. And if the current Prime Minister getting X, that means that you have to get it too. Come on, man. And these were things which were embedded under a People's National Party government. And Sean Stam, the information is out here where everybody can access it.
Same.
Another thing, Sean Stam, people like talking about Andrew Holness 28 bank account. Sean Stam, nothing is wrong with having 28 bank accounts. Not even 28 he should have 50.
Same.
He should have 50 because Shanstam, so long as you're a businessman, so long as you do any farmer business, you are going to have bank accounts. I am a little dirty foot businessman when you're a Shanstam. Me, just a little dirty foot businessman.
Mm.
And the other day when time me count, I have 7 bank accounts.
Yeah.
Me have 7. Comparing to Andrew Holness, who has 3 companies. 3 companies. If you're taking out a loan, that is a separate bank account. If you have savings account, it's a separate one. Investment account is a separate one. And these are what they are not telling the Jamaican people. Everything where you go at the bank and go do, even down to your mortgage, even down to your mortgage and stamp is a separate bank account.
Yeah.
So those are what add up. It's not like you have 28 a savings account. If you have 28 savings account now, you're saying, right, well, what you wanna do with 20? What you wanna do with all 28 the savings account? The accounts them spread right across the board. American dollar account, Jamaican dollar account, a savings account, this account, that account, because the man have a business.
Yeah. The people them a request,
And
but
they,
when me press the request, it a fail. Me no know how I cause that.
man, find one of them and put up, man. Find one of them and put up.
So, oh, your business a go on.
Who?
Your business, how it have to go carry on.
My business. My business is solid because me in the farming enterprise.
Okay. What want
Yeah,
you
man. Every little thing.
Okay.
Every little thing on it, man. So guess what? My business is solid.
So you have work with you or you want to do your thing?
No, man. How farming working in Jamaica, you know, is that you just, yeah, man, a day work, you know. Yeah, man, just come feed the account, come help you, you pay me in back and yard.
Sure.
Mm.
Farming is a thing where you have to wait for, so you can't really have work a right show.
And it depends on the level of farming what you are doing now. Because you have people out there who want workers every day, you know, because them farm whole heap. So you want man to dig your mill, you want man to reap this, you want man to watch this, you want man to do that. So them want you want man to cut grass and give the cow them. Yeah, man, all of them there.
For real.
You know, don't you find any of them yet?
You see people are sending requests, but anytime my person it a fail, me don't know what cause that.
Well,
Maybe
tell all of them so they must cancel it and send it back.
all who are sending the request, cancel it and just send it over back again for me, please. Cause I don't know why you know come up anytime I press on it.
But Shantam, I tell you, see, Jamaica right now, Jamaica is at a good place. Jamaica is at a good place. The only thing we can tell Jamaican people right now, say, you see, if you have a piece of land around your yard back, if at least one root of corn, just go around there and jam it on it. Because I know people right now who they farm on a rooftop.
Yeah, for real. Farming I key in Jamaica, man.
Yeah, man. I know people right now who they farm on a rooftop, master.
I can remember back in the days when my youth grew up, brother. Every little way you turn, you can find one cane or some sitting feet. Me I wonder where you think they gone, brother.
Because guess what? The schools them these days, Shanstam, them let farming look like say it is a dirty boy job. Farming look like it's a dirty boy job. If you're not on lion, doctor, and this and that, and the devils know what, you know, look like you achieve anything.
Damn.
Yeah. But a pity a lot of people don't know say right now. Honestly, it better you farm right now than doing a 9 to 5, you know. It better you farm.
Self-employed is the best because you do one thing. You don't have to get up out of your bed for a special time. You just get up when you're ready to get up, isn't it?
Oh God, Chance Tom. Remember when time me in a system, man. Remember when time me in a system, me have to double, me have to triple. Even this morning, me get up and rain a fall. The only thing me go out and do and go look for me for them and come straight back in my house.
What kind of fall areas?
Layers for egg.
Okay, brother, I'm say the system thing, brother. I want to jump out of here as soon as possible, brother.
Straight back in my bed, me go back this morning.
I slavery thing, dog. A man fi get up when he mind tell him to get up, brother. That me say. You know, if you get up, so you have to reach a work for a certain time. If you get a full sleep, but the man say, you know, me don't sleep. Rise now. Alright, me have a next person on the panel. Nalo, which party you represent?
Well, but I really represent a party. I really a Jamaican, you know. I'm a patriot to my country.
Okay, you just like me. So,
Yeah, but
you want a response to what you did, does I say?
well, I give him like I give him some credit for some of them I say, but some of them I don't really go with it for because he's raising on a JLP pint and an next person will come and raise up on a PMP pint, you know. You're gonna reason for the party where you love, but you have some valid point of some of the things them what him say, you know. So
all right, like a neutral man like you, point out the partner where you not agree with him with.
well, one of the things what I might not agree with like, is the FinSac thing. Based upon my understanding about it, is the FinSac was created to take people out of the problem, but I don't know full 100 about it, you know. I don't close upon it like that, but that's what me understand. 28 bank account is totally a madness. You are here to run the country. We are not paying you to do other things. We are paying you to run a country. You're not supposed to be in a court, but no. You're supposed to 1 second. You're supposed to stay there and run the country, not within a nothing about it to know. Like the 6th, which is Thursday, you're going to be in court when you should be there running our business.
Oh.
You must be mixed up in something. Say if you don't go a fall rules, fall no shit.
So Andrew want to talk about 46 on the bank account issue?
Pan the 1 second. Tsunami is going home. Tsunami is going home. You hear Gloria? 1 second. Gloria?
Yeah, man, do your thing.
Tsunami is going home.
Chance Tom.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm coming back here. Hold on,
He's
the
saying that
No, you
Yeah,
can't.
no, man.
Go on.
Whenever time him come back, I will give him the floor.
Go on.
All right, got you.
When he is saying that we're paying you to run a country, yes, he's correct. Andrew Ness is running the country. But guess what, Sean Stam? People have other lives. People have other lives.
Can I cut upon that, my brother?
Yes, man. Come in, man. Now we are reason. Come in, man.
Yeah. Yes, you have had a life. But I don't know if I don't quite sure if it is in the constitution once you sign for that job, you must not do nothing else.
It's not there.
We are paying you to run the country. We are not paying you to do no other job. Like for instance, one of the bank account where you find out that people put money in a cash machine through your account. That is wrong. Who could put so much money?
Nothing don't go so bad. Not go so. Not go so. Not go so. But continue. Continue to talk.
Okay. Everything you see. Fair enough. I don't hear it. Follow who I hear is yours.
No, don't make Kelly tell you
No,
that.
Mr. Richard.
Don't make Kelly tell you that.
One at a time.
That is in the report.
Mr. Blair.
I'm soon make a chip in.
You see, this is the reason why I
Up
say.
here peaceful from morning.
This
Continue,
are the
sir.
reason. These are the reason why I'm saying, when it come to the GLP and the PMP, everybody come and take up for them side. I mean, I take up with Jamaica for because I see in Clarendon when my father sick, my father be sit down in a car back, my father be sit down in a car back go to Kingston Public Hospital. You understand? When we should have even a clinic where he could have go in and get first aid before he head off to Kingston Public. And what a man who's sick in Clarendon. What am I doing at Kingston? Your hospital in Clarendon supposed to up and running properly. Why is it we have to transport people in cars to go to these places when you call them? There's no ambulance. When politicians have 2-3 cars, where maybe a taxpayer pay for it. These are the things we have to look for, whether we are PMP or we are JLP. These are what, for instance, again, when you have politicians will chastise you or take away your things because you don't pay your tax. But at the same time, when you pay the tax, some other politician TV. Or does that make sense? These are the things what we need to look into. Whether if we are GLP or PMP and stop check up for them for these boys, we not even know these boys. We not even know them, but we are check up for them. We need to check up for the country.
Can I answer you now, sir?
No problem. Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
Go look at it.
Can I answer you now, sir?
Yeah,
All right,
go look at it.
I totally agree with you when it comes to the hospital part. And guess what? I am a labourite. No, but everybody know that. But it is one thing with this labourite. You see, whenever time my party is supposed to get licked, never lick them. If, and I said it this morning, if we were getting proper governance from before, and I am going to go to the 18 years, you see, if we were getting proper governance,
yes,
all of them hospital situation, the healthcare situation there, they would not be so disgusting now. They would not be so disgusting now. And sir, I am going to tell you this. Hold on 1 minute. Hold on 1 minute. Hold on 1 minute, sir. Hold on 1 minute. I am going to tell you this, and I want you to go and test the information and come back to me. You see, the largest investment that ever make in the healthcare sector have been done in this 8 years of the Andrew Holness-led administration. So go test that the information there and come back to me.
All right. Before we solve that, let me answer that way. Of course you can spend the most money, but where is it? Where is it? Anybody can say and spend any amount of billions of dollars. Where is it? Show it. You don't when you
Naldo, we can answer that.
Can I answer that, sir?
You see.
Can I answer that?
Let me finish it.
I'm going to answer that, sir.
Let me finish it.
I'm going to answer that.
You see,
It is at Cornwall Regional Hospital.
No, well, yeah. You see when you say you spend money in our system, you do not have to come out and say, okay, this is the money that I spend. It's the system that I'm spending the money into supposed to bright shining. That's any way you're there in the world you can see. So people now have to say, okay, you now have to come out and say, oh, this is the money we spend on it. Because it's not shining. It needs to be shine. Where everybody can see it. So you do not have to say anything. Make the work speak for you, and you start speak for the work. And well, let me finish it. Let me finish up on the answer to you first. Boom, big guy. No answer to you first.
But boss, people, it is at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. It is at the Adelphi Hospital. It is at Cornwall Regional Hospital. It is at the Adelphi Health Center. It is at the brand new health center while Christopher Tufton just opened the other day. It is over Chapperton, which is being renovated. It is at all of them, so people see it.
Okay.
People
All
see
right.
it.
So when you say, you
Shakutan.
go back.
Naldo, hold on, Naldo, hold on there, Naldo. Me address you. I gotta ask you a question first before me say. Do you follow the Prime Minister's speech?
Mr. I put my little point up cross first before you adjust me.
No, me I ask you a question. Do you follow the Prime Minister's speech?
I used to, but I stopped.
All right. Number 2, do you follow the JIS page?
No and again. No and again.
No
and again.
I'm saying if you actively follow, listen what message, you know. Do you not go on it and look on it, you know? If you get updates on it, once they post something, you get updates on it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying to you. I get the update, but I don't really follow up like that.
Oh, okay. So the 2 main sources of information, what's happening with the tax dollars, you don't actively follow them, but yet still you come on a public forum and criticize something.
What am I
that is fair?
What am I criticizing?
No. So and the criticism I make, I praise it I make.
No. So what are they? So
all right. Let me repeat what you say. You say politician have 2 and 3 car, right?
Yes.
And hospital and an ambulance.
Yes.
And a taxpayer money go to buy that, right?
Yes.
All right. Tell me a politician where you know we have 2 or 3 car with taxpayer money buy. Just one.
Well, I can tell you the Prime Minister, for one, have more than 3 car or 3 more plus bike.
Yeah.
Who pay for them?
So hold on there. You are saying that the Prime Minister, the leader of a country, should buy him own a vehicle?
No. That's not what I'm saying.
But why mention it if the job provide that?
No, so hold on there. So all right, you me answer to that now. If, for instance, then me could I use for instance this way like the police then. A police do not have a vehicle then to go and fight, but at the same time when you are rolling out, you are well protected and the citizens don't protect. How does that?
Which what no?
Yes.
Is an example. One on a carry.
I have one question. I have one question. And then I'm going to give you back the floor. Mr. Sir, I want you to name me a nation in Jamaica which is without a working motor vehicle. One, just one want.
Yeah, water. Go on, sir.
No,
Sir,
asking which police station?
Park up in a station. What don't drive yet?
No.
What don't
Naldo.
drive yet?
Naldo.
Repeat way, sir.
Naldo. There are police stations that have police vehicle.
Service vehicle.
But the plastic not come off of the seat yet.
What?
I said,
What?
police vehicle. Park up in a police station. What don't drive yet?
What?
Wow.
Wow.
Naldo, let me go back.
Wow.
Let me go back on topic. Naldo.
Wow. Yeah.
Naldo, we have to be careful when we say certain things, right? Not to sound foolish. You see, and every politician get a government issued vehicle, right? And every politician get government protection, like a bodyguard.
Every politician don't get it.
No, sir.
Every minister don't have it. Every minister don't have it.
No, sir. Listen to what I'm saying. Ministers get it. Remember saying, and every MP is a minister.
So an MP don't have a bodyguard if he's not a minister.
Sir.
Yes.
Listen to what I'm saying. Not every MP get a government issued bodyguard. You understand me? What I'm saying?
Now listen, man. What?
So MPs who are not politicians have to pay out of them pocket for them driver and them bodyguard.
MP who is not politician. I don't get that.
MP who's not a minister. You hear what I'm saying?
Have to pay for their bodyguard.
Have to pay for them bodyguard. Have to buy them on a vehicle.
I never even know that. I never know that. I never know that.
Well, I know.
Yeah, go on
The
that, man.
finance minister,
Yeah.
the former finance minister, he
Yeah.
was driving his own vehicle for the last 8 years. The
Mm.
works minister, Robert Morgan, I drive his own vehicle for the last 8 years. Dr. Chang, I drive his own vehicle for the last 8 years.
You sure?
These,
You
these
sure?
are not
Well,
people. These are not people who me just say these things about. You know, these are people who actually know.
you know how of them, and them a drive their own vehicle.
And I mean, never sell all of the ministers. Them, you know, me list
No,
out
no,
the
no.
three
No, the
ministers.
one
where I
where you
drive.
call. The one where you call.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But let me tell you something. A lot of people think that because you're a politician, you get a government issued vehicle. That's not how the constitution works. And the E that them in the comment I say I lie me I tell. I don't have to go up on the Google, you know. I say what MPs get and what government ministers get. See, it's there. You can
Why?
challenge me by go up on Google and just type it in.
So why would you say the idiot them body thing? I say
Because they must say I lie. They must say I lie.
You see that's
Well,
what
no,
I'm
they
saying, you know. That's
So
what
my
I'm
man saying
saying.
they must say I lie me I tell.
You see,
And
that's what I'm.
and them have the information.
But
Well on, Punkos. Well on. Even a councillor, even down to a councillor, get a concession so that they can purchase a vehicle. So can put some things in context.
Police officers
Don't
get
make
that, sir. Even
don't
police
make it
officers
look.
get that.
Cadet, well I know. So why you never say to
To
Punkos a
Punkos.
while ago?
Yeah.
No,
Why
but
never
that
tell
was
him?
not
Why you
posed
didn't
to
say
me.
it?
That was not posed. That question was not
No,
posed to me.
but you must, when you
But you
speak,
mentioned
no,
it,
when you
so him should
speak,
have report
No.
and tell us
when
say
you
no.
speak,
That's
No.
work.
you must put
you.
things in context.
Hugh Blair. Well, I know. Does every MP get a government issued vehicle?
Every MP is entitled to a concession to a
No,
vehicle.
that's not what. But
Duty
that's
free.
not what Naldo said. No, that's not what Naldo said. That's not,
Dabo,
you are
Dabo.
talking about something totally different. And the 25% duty concession, you only go for politicians too.
No.
It don't only go for politicians,
Politicians,
Hugh Blair.
all members of parliament and
You
councillor
Blair,
are
you Blair,
entitled
you
to
Blair.
concession.
You Blair. Naldo specifically say politicians have 2 and 3 vehicles where taxpayers buy, right? That is what I'm answering to.
But
Say
no,
it's not
no,
every.
but Naldo
no,
not wrong.
no,
Naldo not wrong neither, no.
No, well, I know.
Let me explain to you why me say Naldo not wrong neither. Let me explain to you why me say Naldo not wrong. Hold on, man.
Hold on. You hold on. May I ask you one question? MP for North East St. Catherine, Karen St. Morrison, right? Who buy your vehicle? Is a government issue vehicle share drive?
Who you expect me to answer a question
May I
like
ask
that?
you a
Punkos?
question?
You couldn't ask me a
Central
question like that.
Manchester MP, Rhoda Crawford, the white Hardy share drive, is a government issued vehicle that?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't
know.
know. You can't ask with that.
The BMW 2 of Hamilton Drive.
I
The
don't
BMW
know
2 of
if
Hamilton
them don't
Drive.
get.
May I ask you a
I
question?
don't
The
know.
BMW.
No.
Well, I know you realize me name out the type of vehicle them.
Punkos.
No, may I ask you
Yeah,
a question,
say-
brother?
no,
Two
you-
of Hamilton,
no.
MP for North Carolina. MP for North Carolina. Is it a government issued vehicle share drive?
No, a personal business that nobody will know that.
May I ask you a question?
Not even you don't know that because them same one can get concession to buy
But
those same vehicle.
concession, well, I know concession different than having a government issued vehicle.
Guys. Hey, Punkos, hold on 1 minute. Now,
But
I
carry
am
before
going
you
to
go.
explain.
Hold on, carry.
You Blair,
Hold on first.
you
Hold
Blair.
on. I came up
No,
specifically to answer a question which you posed while I was in
You Blair,
the while I
hold on,
was
you
listening.
Blair.
So
You
let me ask
Blair.
you the question
Not still, brother.
and then you can come back.
No, you Blair.
Can't
No,
get it.
you Blair. No.
They can't ask the question,
No.
Carrot, you there chat for morning, you know.
No.
Let me
Yeah,
ask you
Ronaldo, I
one
don't want
question
you to
before you
know
go further.
information. No,
Carrot,
you
make
Blair.
you be ask the question, Carrot.
No. Oh,
Not sure you
no,
Blair.
Naldo, I am going to give you this information and then you can ask anything what you want. Anything what you want. Naldo, you
Tell
see
me.
the ministers, all of the ministers them. You see the vehicle where you see them you see the vehicle where you see them a drive, taxpayers buy it.
Not all of them,
Taxpayers.
Cadet. Cadet, not all of them.
Not all of them still. Not all of them, but guess what? Guess what? They are obligated to it. You see the
Not
MP them,
obligated, they are entitled. Not obligated, they are entitled to a vehicle.
what's the difference? What's the
No,
difference?
not obligated, they are entitled are two different words.
Naldo, what I'm saying now, you see the others them, including inspectors, the inspector them, from inspector rank up, everybody get 20% of the cost of their motor vehicle. Not only politicians, not only councillors, they get 20% of the cost of their motor vehicle to buy their vehicle. So it's not councillors or other MPs alone get it, police officer get it, and other civil servants get it also.
Fireman get it, nurse get it, ministry, people working in the
ahead
ministry,
now.
them get it.
Go ahead now
Okay.
and ask any question what you want.
Okay. Earlier on in the discussion, you made mention about when PJ Patterson raised the salary of the present Prime Minister to match it with the pension of the retired Prime Ministers. You were correct. Yeah, you were correct in that. But did you know the reason why he did that?
No, tell me, educate me, Mr. Blair.
Okay. The reason why that was done, at that time, Lady Bustamante was still alive. Lady Sarah was still alive. And they were getting the pensions of their husbands who were past prime minister. And PJ Patterson, in his own wisdom, said that what Lady Bustamante was getting and Lady Shira was getting was not enough in the twilight of their lives as pension, because Sir Alexander Bustamante died in, I think it was 1977, somewhere there. So at that time, the pension was minimal. Could never buy 2 patty and a meatloaf. And that is the reason why he raised the pay to tight with the current prime minister. So when a prime minister of Jamaica serve his country, and in his latter year, if the wife survive him, or if he survive the wife, they should be able to take care of themselves.
Okay.
Understand?
And that was
Because
something good.
no, hold on, I'm not finished. Because one of the things we forget, and this is a general statement for both sides of the political spheres, is that politician, whether you be Labour or you be PNP, most of them give away all what they earn during their time in politics.
Okay.
So when they're retired, some of them can't even find doctor bill. And sometimes it is the state or other politicians who have to come to their assistance. So PJ Patterson did not raise the pension to benefit himself.
Oh,
He did
okay.
it as a respect to Lady Bustamante and Lady Shira at that time. So sometimes when we make statements on broad brush people, we must try and put things in context, because obviously you did not know that information.
Mr. Blair, what you just say a while ago is one bull crap. Mr. Sean,
Yo.
reason with me for 1 minute there, please. I'm going to give you an analogy. You and your brother there yard, right? And you want to go to road for something. But you know to God and heaven say your mother nah send you go to road. No, send you go to road. So guess what you do? Go to your brother and tell your brother, say, go and go buy your ice cream out the road, because you know say you can follow your brother go to the road. Isn't that a genius plan?
Yeah.
Okay, so when Mr. Blair come say a while ago is bull crap because what? Him, PJ Patterson, I am going to use his reference. Use Lady Bustamante and Lady Shearer. He bypass. He full up thing packet.
Okay.
He full
That
up
is
thing
rubbish.
packet.
Now we get into the rubbish now. Now we get into the rubbish. Now we get into the rubbish.
But I'm
Now we
thinking
get into the rubbish.
thing there, when we think about that, with the raise the pay as prime minister, when you leave office, you should get the same pay. I think it's crazy. It is mad.
Thank you, sir.
When you come out of office, me believe it doesn't matter who you is. You should have get. Me agree. See if you get something, you run the country. Even give you half a pay. You cannot be getting full pay. You're not running nothing.
Well,
With
you see,
especially for a country like Jamaica, which not producing much.
So, Mr. Naldo, so
Yes.
why was the argument the other day? And I'm calling out the hypocrisy of the PNP, Why was the argument the other day when time Andrew Holness led administration come out and say, "Oi, our good while now, politician don't get a raise." So guess what? Working politician supposed to get a raise. The same PNP them come out and talk garbage of the man.
All right. My thing on that. To me, there's no sector to me from me know myself get 300% raise. That is wrong. It is wrong. What Andrew Wallace and my administration do is wrong. You can't, even if you're gonna take a raise, you can't get yourself 300% raise.
Now,
That's all the
Hold on the Punkos.
How much I get?
Hold on the Punkos.
Who get you? No, hold on. Naldo, tell me who get 200%?
No, that them saying get 300% raise. That was the talk.
Who?
ask
whole of
Cadet.
them,
Cadet
the
is the
whole
one
of
who
them.
said it.
I did not say so, sir. You need to open your ears to my listen. We were using just random numbers. Ask the host, what did I say? Just random numbers we were using.
So how many percent raise they get? Catch me.
Oh,
Catch
why
me.
use random number when you have the specific numbers to be used, brother?
All right.
You have the specific number, use the specific
What
number,
percentage
and don't
is-
confuse people by
Yeah.
using numbers.
Yeah, use the right number. I give you the.
Use the correct number. Use the correct numbers. Because
Yeah, tell
sometimes we speak out of term. Because there was a Matalan commission a couple years ago, which recommended that parliamentarian salary be raised during the PJ Patterson administration. And they did not act on it.
You Blair, they couldn't act on it, right? There's a difference. They couldn't act on it because they never have the budgetary support for that. And nothing wrong with that. That at the times, the country
Do
never
we?
had-
Do, all right.
No,
all right.
don't cut me
I
off,
have-
please, sir.
no.
Don't cut me. Let me finish. Let me finish, no man. Let me finish. You can't talk. At the time, and this is not a bash against the PMP, right? Because even at the 80s, they never have the budgetary support either, right? So I'm saying during the 90s, after the commission and recommend that they get a certain amount of raise, right? Because when PJ raised it by 103%, that was still way less than what it was supposed to be raised at, right? No, the government at the time, that the 90s, never have the money for put the salary scale. Because people keep on looking on politicians alone. Naldo and Hugh Blair need to know this. If a MP will get a raise, or a minister will get a raise, or the prime minister, every other person below them will get a raise. That's how it works. You understand me? So it's not just the parliamentarians. No, when Naldo say Andrew shouldn't do that, and the GLP alone pay raise.
I know. That's my brother.
Mark Golden get more pay than Andrew,
No, but just I say it shouldn't happen. That's what I'm saying.
No, but you cannot say but you cannot say it shouldn't happen. Hold on, Naldo. Hubble, I don't finish it, Hubble. I don't finish. I don't finish.
Clarify the Prime Minister and the opposition leader salary before you go further.
So let me talk,
Clarify that before you go further.
So let me talk now, if you fucking talk for talk.
Stop disrespecting for the
No,
thing, man.
No,
you're
but
not
if me keep on,
brother.
if you make me talk,
Even if you're gonna do now because of bad word, and as what we
You
call
have to
bad
cuss
word.
bad. We are cuss bad
Yeah,
word
just
for.
reason, man. You can't tell the man to
Eh?
stop make your talk.
Eh?
Hold on, the guys. Everybody just hold on. You, Blair, me and Sean Storm and a few more persons was up here from morning. One person talk and don't completely talk, and then the other one take over. Someone can't be talking and you are interjecting. All you do, ask for the floor after the person done. That is bad manners. That is bad manners, man.
That is not bad manners.
It is bad
Because
manners.
the person,
That's a debate though still, no. That's kind of a debate go.
no,
You
the
know.
person is misrepresenting the fact, so you have all right to clarify the fact before him continue speaking.
Blair, when the floor is yours,
Then
ask
anyway,
the
that is
person
not
to
the point. The substantive point that the gentleman raised a while ago was that the leader of the opposition